Let's talk about exploitation of SSRF. For exploitation, you have to identify the vulnerabilities exist or not. I already told you how to hunt for SSRF. So see this, you have to do request to this website. I'll copy this one more time. I'll show you. This is a parameter. I'll give there, and if I'll find that this website is making request to this website, then there is a SSRF. So I have to search this website IP address onto the response. Your IP address. See this? We got the test PHP is making request to ExpressVPN. Now, the first attack is the read file from server. For this, see, now we are talking about the exploitation. Forgot the hunting now. Okay, so exploitation of SSRF. The first attack is read file from server. For this, you have to use this file : / and you have to read any of the system configuration file. So these are the system configuration files we have to look for, like etc passwords, like this proc / self / environment. Any of the critical files you have to fetch by this file : / So instead of this, now I will use file : / and I will give this some identifier there. I will right click, send this to intruder positions. I'll first clear this because I have to only attack there, because file : / is just a syntax. Add payloads, load this file. So I have to fetch this many file, start attack. Now see, etc password, let's check response. You are not getting the file list for files of etc / password. You are not getting even this. So I will double click on link to sort the highest link. See, okay, I haven't got any other any file now. You have to wait because it's executing. We have to, okay, now I got some file. See, this is the highest length. So I got this. Okay, man, this is the source code of any of the files. See this, you are getting the files, the background files. See this. So we are reading the resource which are not publicly available, which we supposed to not read that, and we are getting the actual MySQL code there. See this, MySQL, maybe you will get, no problem. See this, you are getting the actual. Okay, see, this is the class of MySQL connections, and you are getting actual MySQL. See this connection details, how they are communicating. So this way we are fetching the background resource file. I hope it's clear to you the first attack, how to hunt. Now I'll close this. Now see, the second attack is scan the internal network. See this, internal network means what? What if I'll give here, let's read second, scan the internal network. What if let's example, this is a parameter file. What if instead of giving a remote website, what if I'll give their websites, the local host IP address? So the website will make a request to themselves. Now I will scan one by one. So 1 port is open, 2 port is open or not, 3 port is open or not. So this way we are enumerating the internal network. So let's try this now. So I'll give http : localhost : 1. Let's click on go. So 1 is nothing. Okay, let's try 10 or 10. 10 is also not. Let's try 21. So 21 goes to waiting list. That means they are communicating with the port 21. Let's try 20. Let's cancel. Let's click on go. See, 20 port is nothing. Let's try 22. 22 we got something. See this, what we got? Failed to open a stream, HTTP request failed, because we are making HTTP request. But the port, they gave me the port details that they are using Open SSH 5.3. See this, Debian Ubuntu 7.1. Let's phase 23 now. We haven't got anything. Let's phase 25 now. So 25 we got some details again, that this is a SMTP ports and they are using this host for SMTP mail for mail servers. So this way we are enumerating their internal ports. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's talk about the third attack, that is SSRF with RFI. See this. SSRF with RFI. So I got to know that SSRF can make requests to any website. What if I will identify that they can also load the request? They can also load the content of third party. So let's do one thing. Let's create a HTML file, like I will create testing.html. In that HTML file I will write a script, simple script alert 1 or script tag close, a simple script. Okay, so let's script alert 1 and a script tag close. Okay, I'll save this. What I have to save this with testing.html. Now place this file to your web server, okay, any of the publicly available web server. So I'll use my website, that is this. I'll log into my website, file manager, public HTML, I will upload there a file, that is testing.html. See, now if any user will visit this page /testing.html, okay, testing.html, okay, to testing. So where I uploaded this, I have to check my files. Okay, let's go to this public HTML. Is there any testing? Yes, there is a testing2.html, not testing. Okay, so testing2.html, testing2.html. okay, I have to give some other file name. Okay, it's not properly importing. So let's upload. Let's keep testing controls. So I'll give a file name there, hack of .html desktop. So it's a hack of .html. Let's hack of .html. See, hack of .html. So if anyone will visit this website, hack of .html, it will execute a JavaScript code there. So what I will write, let's do this on Japan Post. This is also interacting with third party. So what I'll give this website, hackoff.html. Let's click on go. See, they are loading the content of hackoff.html. I will right click, show response in browser. Let's copy this. Let's see what happened there. See, it's completely executing our code. So there is a SSRF vulnerability, and we have done with this RFX. What if we'll give the malicious code and the browser PWN code, okay, with the metasploit? So the user will be in risk now, okay, for this vulnerability also. So I hope it's clear to you now that how an attacker can achieve what an attacker can achieve by this vulnerability.